how to fix your Sharp TV is not turning on and you're seeing a blinking red light. So if your TV screen is black and it won't turn on, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go in and fix this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is just go in, power off your television, and then you'll need to disconnect any cables going to your TV. So this could be any HDMI cables or basically any devices you have plugged into your TV. Now once you've done this, come round to the main power supply and you need to unplug your television from the wall socket like so. Now once it's unplugged, we're going to leave this unplugged for around about 60 seconds. Now during these 60 seconds, you also need to come over to the physical TV and locate the power button on the actual device. So usually you'll have a power button located underneath the television. You may also find this on the back of the unit as well. Once you've found this button, just go and hold it down for 30 seconds and this should drain any residual power left in the TV. Now once you've followed all of these steps, you can then go and plug your TV back into the main power supply. Make sure all of your cables are left disconnected. You can then try turning on your TV and that should have fixed the issue where your TV is not turning on.